Hello, this is Miss Rachel with the Otago Prattville Public Library, and today we are doing our craft for the live Zoom story time on Tuesday, September 22nd at 10 a.m. So for this craft, we'll need all of our colored paper pieces, and let's start getting our pieces out. So you'll want to get this paper bag, one of the orange ovals and one of the blue pairs of pants. You'll want to get your piece of twine. There's a white shirt in the kit that you'll need. Some brown shoes. And a black hat. There is also another orange circle in your kit, but you can save that for the next craft. And so I'm going to take my bag here and set everything else aside for next time. So today we're making a scarecrow. And in addition to these items here, we will also need scissors and stick glue and colors. So I've got those out, and we're going to begin by assembling our scarecrow. So I'm going to cut the shoes in half so that we've got one shoe for each foot, and then we can glue those onto the pants. I'm going to flip the pants over and glue the shoes, just the very tippy top parts, to the back of the pants. Awesome. There we go. And then we're going to glue our shirt onto the pants. I'm going to do the same thing where I put a little bit of glue at the bottom of the shirt and glue it onto the back of the pants. And there we've got the body ready to go. So I'm going to glue the whole body down at the bottom part of the bag. And I'm using a little bit of extra glue just to be sure that it sticks nicely and stays put. And then for the hat, we'll glue that right on the top of our pumpkin head. And we can glue our pumpkin head on the top flappy part of our bag. Like so. Finally, if we want to give our scarecrow friend a little belt, we can see, I probably should have glued this on first, but I'm just going to tuck this under where I glued the pants and press it back down, and then I'm going to tie him up front so that he's got a little twine belt. And I'm going to do a double knot just to make sure it stays put. It's a little tricky. You might have to have a grown-up help you with the knot part because the twine likes to come unrolled up and then it kind of falls apart a little bit. But that is a-okay because we're going for a rustic look here, and the more frayed your twine is, the more rustic everything's going to look anyway. There we go. So we got his belt, and now we can put our scissors and our glue away and use our colors to start decorating. So I think our scarecrow, our pumpkin-headed scarecrow, should have a jack-o'-lantern face. So I'm going to give him triangles for eyes and a little triangle nose and a big smile with a couple of teeth. There we go. And then we want our scarecrow to have big straw arms. So I'm going to use this yellow-orange color to make the straw coming out of his sleeves. And I'm just drawing a bunch of lines on to represent that. And we can add maybe with some blue a nice little button to his shirt. Keep that secured. Maybe 2 buttons. There we go. And you can put laces on the shoes. You can decorate the hat. You can add designs to the jeans, all sorts of fun things. But now I'm happy with my coloring, so I'm going to put my colors away for next time. And now we've got our little jack-o'-lantern scarecrow puppet ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed crafting with me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.